Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk you through the process of replacing the front casing of your Thermomix TM21 and installing a compatible blade. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a cleaning cloth. Make sure you have a stable workspace to avoid any accidents. Begin by unplugging the Thermomix. Safety is crucial. Once unplugged, turn it upside down to access the screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the base. Keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Next, gently pry off the front casing using your flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any hidden screws. Now, let's address the blade. If your TM21 blade is dull or damaged, it's time to replace it. Remove the blade by unscrewing it from the base. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Before installing the new blade, clean the interior of the mixing bowl thoroughly. Use a damp cloth to wipe away any residue. A clean bowl ensures optimal performance. Once cleaned, place the new blade into the bowl and secure it tightly. Ensure it's aligned properly to avoid any issues when blending. Now, let's move on to the front casing. Align it with the base and press down gently until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Reinsert the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so to prevent stripping. After reassembly, it's important to check that everything is functioning correctly. Plug in the Thermomix and run a short cycle to test the new blade and casing. This is also a good time to remind you that we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your appliance is in perfect working order. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you know what to expect without any hidden costs. Our service is designed to be hassle-free, no calls, no travel. Finally, once you've confirmed everything is working well, give your Thermomix a final wipe down to keep it looking great. Regular maintenance not only prolongs the life of your appliance but also enhances its performance. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. With the right tools and steps, you can easily replace the front casing and blade of your Thermomix TM21. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.